Now, stay tuned for some Hey, what's up? It's Jazz.
And Marty.
And welcome back to another DIY Dare, where we're going to be delving into the wonderful world of pasta sculptures. So in honor of the National Pie Day that just came up, we're going to be making pies out of pasta.
And it could be any type of pie you like. It could be pizza pie, shepherd's pie, a pie slice, any type of pie you like. So it wouldn't be a DIY Dare without a twist. So we went and grabbed these nifty oven mitts. So let's hop into it and see who can get that butt whipped this week.
Let's see. Alright, so we got our plates, we got our glue, we got our variety of pastas. So,
let's hop into this thing.
Let's get started, y'all.
Alright.
It's gonna take a while, guys. I still can't get my box open.
Yeah, look at me. My box already open, baby. Check this out.
As you can see, we both have two very different works.
Oh, what? What the?
Oh, yours are smaller? Good luck making your tiny pie.
Alright, screw you, yeah. Don't worry about that. It's not about the size of the noodle.
All
it's
right.
about...
Okay.
It's all about the type of work that noodle put in.
So, I'm making a pie slice.
I'm making a pie slice as well.
I'm making a actual pie slice and not a pizza pie slice.
Oh, me too. I'm like 75% there at the moment. I don't even think they can see what I'm making.
They can't. See, that's why you know you're a liar.
James, it's okay. You almost done.
I'm not.
You'll be losing any minute now. Just look, Mary J. Blige will be hella upset right now.
Why?
Because all this hateration and this dancery.
That was the corniest thing you ever said.
She just hating because she ain't getting it done as quickly as the old boy over here.
Look, my whole base is like, it's out. It's because my pasta is bigger than yours. So, like, I don't know what to tell you.
Look, we not measuring pasta sizes around here, okay? I got a brilliant idea, baby. I ain't even going to tell you what I'm about to do. Just know it's going to be better than hers.
What, you going to just put a whole bunch of glue down?
Listen!
You going to put a whole bunch of glue down and then throw some pasta on there?
Listen, Linda. That's not what I was about to do.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to create layers. I feel like a layer might help it out a little bit. So, let's do this.
You know who ain't struggling? The king of this challenge right
I
here.
don't understand. Show them what you're doing. I don't understand what you're doing. What is that?
It's not done yet. You gotta wait. What is that? Like, what is that? You're going through it.
I am struggling really hard with this. I already have poor. Is it motor skills?
I don't know. Is it? You got poor what?
I don't know. I'm just not good with my hands. Let's just put it that way.
You know what you don't have poor? What's poor? You don't have poor taste in you.
We're both gonna fail.
Your peanut butter and jealous that I'm getting along so
fast. Why? Why are you letting
Mm.
so many people know how corny you are? I don't understand. You can't just change what you're making halfway through.
Well, the slice wasn't working.
Alright, well, I'm changing what I'm making.
No, because then you'd be following.
No, I'm not making the pizza pie.
What you making?
I'm making the pizza slice now.
That's the same as a pie slice.
No, it's not.
Oh, so we sharing noodles now?
Well, I'm gonna need some of your. No, I don't. I was gonna say I need some of your macaroni.
Nope, you already started. That's cool.
No.
No, you already started. No, that's not fair. No, that's cool. Thank you. No, what are you doing?
I took two of your tiny pennies.
Let me see that box.
No.
Let me see that box.
Cool. I'm getting like asthma from this glue.
You're getting a whole disease from this glue.
Is it a disease?
I don't know. Excuse me.
I'm not glue.
Oh! That's cool.
You act like I'm not sitting next to a whole thing full of glue. Yeah.
This was a bad idea.
It was. I'm glad you recognized it.
This was a bad idea. This glue is making my nose burn.
I know, right? It's like making my throat burn. Like, you gonna have to go to the hospital.
You want these elbows?
Yeah, give me some elbows.
Right here.
Quit! What is wrong with you?
You want the elbows? You want some more?
No. You messing up my pie now. You just got a whole, just a mound of pasta.
Look, that's what a pizza look like. It's a mound of stuff. It's cheese, tomato, crust. My crust is this cardboard. My cheese is this.
The cardboard is the plate.
It's peony. And my elbows is the topping.
You called it peony.
Like emerald.
No, that's Salt Bay.
Oh.
Emerald is bam.
Emerald.
Salt Bay is
Bam, baby. Bam.
Alright.
Alright.
I am ready to review my masterpiece.
Go show her.
Excuse me. Look at this lovely slice of pizza. Here you have a perfectly cooked crust. On top you have mounds of gooey dripping cheese. And then, you know, you have your little accoutrements, like the green peppers. It could be whatever you want. It could be green peppers. You know, for all the omnivores out there, it could be pepperonis. You know, if you're not an omnivore, it could be, you know, olives and green peppers. It could be mushrooms. Look at that. That is a beautiful slice of pizza in honor of Pi Day.
Okay, move so now they can see the real one over here.
Now, stay tuned for some
Have a lovely pizza pie over here. You got your melty cheese, like they say on several commercials. You got this lasagna bits is my pepperoni, and some this peony is my cheese, and some olives on there and everything. Look at this.
Alright guys, leave a comment down below of who you think won this challenge. Would it be the single pizza slice done by Jazz, or the mound of pizza toppings done by Marty?
Is that one? That one is the one you should.
I doubt it. But you decide. You decide. Or if you'd like to see a real test done, why don't we just do the gravity test?
No, wait.
Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you can get updates on videos like these in the future. But until next time, lots of love.
I like that. This will be the end. Peace.
Oh, I'm about to die from all this glue. I'm about to die.